Hello guys, in this video we'll tell you how to fix the pointer keeps flickering issue in Windows 10 or 11. But before we start the video guys, if you have any computer or software related problems, please feel free to contact us by visiting our website and using the submit a problem button from there. And comment down below on our videos about your problem, and don't worry, we'll make a video for you to resolve it. Number 1. Check for hardware issues like clean your mouse and touchpad or replace your batteries. Alternatively, you can also try a different mouse or test it on another PC. Number 2. Restart the Windows Explorer. For this, open the Task Manager by pressing Shift plus Ctrl plus Escape, or you can also right click on Taskbar and select Task Manager from there. Then in the Task Manager window, navigate to the Processes tab. Then from there, select Windows Explorer. After that, right click on it and just simply select the restart option. Number 3. Update the graphic drivers. For this, press the Windows plus R key to open the run box. Then in the run box, type devmgmd.msc and click OK to open Device Manager. Then in the Device Manager window, expand the Display Adapter section. It will list all the graphic drivers installed on your computer. Then do the following for all of the drivers, like right click on display driver and choose uninstall driver. But make sure to uncheck the delete the driver software option in the pop-up if it shows up. Then after that, go to the top menu and under the Actions tab, select Scan for hardware changes. The driver should appear back in the list. If it does not, don't worry. Just simply restart your PC and it will appear back. After that, right click on display driver and choose update driver, and from there select search automatically for drivers. Windows will automatically scan for available driver updates and will download them. After that, just simply again restart your PC. If it didn't work, again right click on display driver and choose update driver, but this time select browse my computer for driver software. Then from there select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. After that, select the driver you want to install. Generally, it is a pre-selected top option in the list, and just simply click Next. Then again restart your PC to apply the changes. If even that doesn't work, you can try going to a laptop or graphic card manufacturer's official website and downloading the latest drivers from there. And then simply install the drivers and simply restart your PC. Number 4. Run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. For this, open the run box by pressing the Windows plus R key, and then in the run box, type msdt.exe/id device agnostic and press enter. After that, just simply click on next to run the troubleshooter. Number 5. Disable hardware acceleration. For this, open the Chrome settings and under the System tab, do toggle off for use hardware acceleration when available. Number 6. Adjust your display settings. For this, right click on desktop and select display settings. And after that, scroll down and find advanced display settings and click on it. Then under refresh rate option, ensure that it's set to recommended rate for your monitor. For example, 60 Hz. Also, try changing the resolution to a different setting and then back to your preferred resolution. Number 7. Disable third-party software. For this, right click on Start button and select Apps and Features option from there. Then from there, locate your third-party security software in the list and click on it and just simply select Uninstall option. Number 8. Check for malware. For this, type Windows Security in the Windows search bar. Then in the Windows Security window, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Then under Current Threats, click on Quick Scan to perform a basic scan. But for a more comprehensive scan, you can also choose Full Scan. After that, if any threats are detected, Windows Defender will automatically provide options to remove or quarantine them. Number 9. Run Windows Update. For this, press Windows plus I key to open the Windows settings. Then from there, click on Update and Security. Then in the Update and Security window, click on Windows Update in the left-hand side menu. After that, from there, click on Check for Updates. And let Windows search for any available updates and automatically download them. After the updates are installed, just simply restart the computer and check if the function is working properly or not. Number 10. Perform a clean boot. For this, press the Window plus R key to open the run box. Then in the run box, type msconfig and press enter to open a system configuration window. Then in the system configuration window, go to the services tab. And from there, make sure to check the box that says hide all Microsoft services. Then click the disable all button. After that, go to the startup tab and click on open task manager. Then in the task manager window, disable all the startup programs by right clicking on each entry and selecting disable. Then close the task manager and go back to the system configuration window and click OK and simply restart the computer. So this was it for the video guys. We hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did, then make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And if it did not, then don't worry. Just comment down below the issue and we'll try to figure out what is wrong with your specific case. Thank you for watching.